Hello loves, it's your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. I am back with another hair tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this V-part unit. Is so easy to install and it takes no time to do it, I promise you. So I'm just going to show you step by step on how to apply it and how to get it looking natural like this, you guys. I just applied it straight out the box, okay? I didn't do any curling or anything to it. So if you want to see how I installed it, make sure you continue to watch. Okay, so the previous style that I had was crochet. So what I did was I just took one of my braids out and I just shampooed that part of my hair so I can apply this V-part wig. So typically with the V-part, you can wear it without leaving out any hair, but we're not going to do that today. But here's what the inside construction looks like. You have your clips and you just clip it right onto your hair, you guys. You see the V-part right here. So it does not require you to leave out any hair or like really no hair at all. You can leave out a really small amount. But right now I'm just clipping it into my braids beside my leave outs, and then I am going to go ahead and blow dry my hair so we can start the blending process. Alright guys, so the thing with a V-part wig, I know that you can like wear your V-part wigs without leaving any hair out, but for me, I just like to leave just a little bit of hair out. It just looks more natural and realistic, and that's how I like to rock it. So that's how I'm going to show you how to install it today. But you're supposed to be able to, just like I have my braids in, you could just clip it on the braids and don't have to have any leave out. I actually think I'm going to leave the hair in its natural state, and I'm just going to do the leave out because I really don't want to do any curls. I just want it to look really natural, and just a little oil sheen for my leave out. So as you can see, my leave out is a little bit lighter than the unit, but it's okay. We're going to make it work. So now I'm just going to do like a little wave. I'm not doing like a tight curl because I just really want it to blend in. I just wanted a little wave in my hair. So as you can see, it blends well with the unit, but you can see the color is off just a little bit, but it's okay. You know, if anybody's looking that close, it's like, what you looking at? Because they should not be all up in your head like that. So, I mean, of course, you can dye your hair to match the wig or dye the wig to match your leave out. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do, guys. As you can see, that's super easy. Didn't even take 5 minutes. Now I'm going to take a little edge control and slick down my edges. So this unit is from Anicekiss, so I will have it linked down below to where you can find it. The edge control that I'm using, I'll link that down below as well. It's a little different from the Even New York one that I use. It's not as thick, but it does do the job. So as you can see right now, I'm just going in and I'm just, you know, blending my hair, trying to make it look really blended and nice as possible. And after like looking at the footage, I'm like, oh girl, you should have combed that piece right there in the front. I know y'all see it, like that piece. I keep overlooking it when I'm combing the hair, but it's all right. Y'all get the gist on how it's supposed to look and how you're supposed to blend it together. So the wax stick definitely comes in handy. Just combing the hair and just blending it together is key. This unit was so easy and quick to apply. All you need is just a little bit of leave out and you are good to go. I didn't do any curling, so I'm just gonna leave this hair in its natural state because I'm so used to just curling the wigs and stuff. I actually like this look. It just looks so natural and I'm just here for it. And then I like putting this side behind my ear. Y'all, this looks so natural, so natural. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this for a good little while. So if you guys are interested in this V-part unit, I will have all of the links down below.